Okay, so this is just a short video talking about how to create your website. What I've done is I've gone to Wix.com, which is the website creator that I recommend. You can certainly use another one if you know about it. Um, and when you log into Wix.com, you will get something like create a new site. And that's what you want to click on. And what you'll see are a whole bunch of templates. And then you'll clean those templates up to make it something that you would like for this particular class. And I'm not going to click on that because you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sites. And I'm getting close to the end of what they're going to allow me to do for free. So I'm just going to go to one that I use when I teach. And this is the one of the templates that I cleaned up a whole bunch of stuff, but I like some of the things, some of the features for it. But you've got buttons here that you can click on. This is adding elements. So you can add text, images, buttons, the whole thing. You can go through the whole list. There is a button for adding sections, which you probably won't be using too much, but you can certainly play around with it. There's a button for seeing the pages on your website. So for example, I'm at home. There's I've added a new page earlier. I'll take that off. But you've got Adobe XD app. So these are things that I'd have to take off, but you can see that here. And you can add things to the menu, which I'll talk about in a bit. And then there's different color schemes and then so on. So let me go back to the basic one. You can also click inside. So you don't need to click just on these, but I've clicked inside the main page and I've got a change background because I don't want the black. So I'm going to go and create an AI image, which I haven't done before, but I'm going to say Romans in Pompeii and show a diverse mix of men and women. And let's see what that comes up with. So we'll have it create the image. Okay, and this is kind of what it showed up. It's not exactly what my choice would be, but anyway, I'll say use image. I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and this should save that in the background. Okay, again, it's not something that I would use, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. Now you can add elements by text. So you can give it a title. And the nice thing about Wix is that it's drag and drop. So you can click on this, click it over here, and you could double click and write Roman Republic or whatever you want to name your team website. Of course, it's a team decision. Once you got that first page all taken care of, then you each want to have your own pages. So you'd click on the Pages menu, and down here you could add Item Menu. And what you want to do is add New Page. And I'm just going to take a blank page in this case. So it'll be blank, and it's going to ask me for a name. So I'm just going to put Kevin. And as you can see here, it dropped it into the second thing in this row, and you can see it mirrors this. And so when you click on these, it will take you to that particular page. And then once you have your own website within the website, then this is where you would make it your own as well. So remember, we're a Roman Republic course. You want to make it look like it's a Roman course. Now, I haven't used the AI section generator before, but you'd do the exact same thing. You'd add elements. You would add whatever you would like. Now, eventually, what you're going to do is add media here because you will be adding text, plus you'll be adding a video. And so let me, if I can remember, oh, it's add elements where you want to do a video, and right here. So you'd add that, and you'd go to a YouTube box. And so you would move your YouTube video, say for your video number 1 here, you would click on settings, and this is where you give it your URL. And once you do that, it will embed your video, and then you would put your text, say, off to the side of your essay. Anyway, and then make sure that you hit publish up here, otherwise it will not save anything. And I made a note on the syllabus, try not to work on this at the same time, because Wix is only designed really for one person to use, but we're using it for a team, so make sure you kind of schedule each other. Otherwise, it will not save your work. And please ask any questions you might have. If in case something doesn't work or you need help with anything, don't hesitate to ask.